This is arugula lettuce here and community garden. Arugula lettuce. So this is a nice vegetables for salad. Arugula lettuce. Also has a chili here, bell pepper chili, green bell pepper, green beef, green bell pepper there, or this is chili. Chili, big chili,
Maybe that's a jalapeno.
a jalapeno. Oh yeah, this is a jalapeno.
Hot, spicy.
Oh yeah, hot, spicy jalapeno. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.